nagbabalik ka dito sa GMA7. What do you miss the most dito sa GMA?
Siyempre, nakita ko yung driving. Sabi ko, dito kami kumakanta ng SOP. And I visited my blockmate, Cher Dizon. So, in one of the office visit, yeah. I do that with my college classmates. So,
and you will always be remembered also for a lot of projects that you did, particularly Encantadia.
Avisala.
Di ba? Oo. Gaano kahalaga yung Encantadia sa karera mo?
I think dahil hindi namin inasahan na magiging ganun siya, kind of like a cultural thing. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng umaamin na kasama kami sa kanilang paglaki at pagkamulat sa kung ano man ang mga gusto nilang gawin sa buhay. So a lot of people from the LGBTQIA+ community do tell us that we were part of their happy childhood. So for that to happen, was so beautiful para maging part of women power, ang kababaihan, ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi naman kasi dati about branding, di ba? So it was beautiful and I don't think it was an intentional part in a marketing standpoint. So kaya siya sobrang ganda.
Some things are meant to happen. Pero tama ka, bahagi ito ng kwento. Bahagi ito ng kwento ng Pilipino. And eventually, your role was played by Gabby.
Gabby, yes.
Ngayon naman, naging lalaki, Adamo, si Kelvin.
Not the exact role, pero parang siya na ang tagapangalaga ng brilyante ng tubig. Yes. Which everyone does when they ask for a photo, and Encantadik sila dati. So, parang...
Paano ang sinasabi nila sa'yo?
Avisala. And they will really do the... may ganong greeting.
And that's touching.
It is because... Malay mo ba, pag ginagawa mo, nagpupuyat kami, nagsiswimming kami ako particularly sa Daranac Falls ng anong oras, hindi mo alam kung kukunin ka ba ng puno ng balete, pero yeah, ang ganda-ganda nung...
Large part of your
and
story.
of course, the Encantadia family.
And of course, the Encantadia song na tumatak.
Actually, marami kaming kinanta. Sabi ko nga, parang kailangan yata i-record because we would record that in the OB van.
Oh.
It was very, a lot of it was, ito siguro, I had to learn it, but some impromptu, like, hash na, lash na, masha, pangpatay na mga hator yan.